Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. So as you can see by the title, as always, I'm doing a GlossyBox unboxing. Excuse my throat, it's a little bit scratchy right now. But yeah, and also let's not mind my hair. It is growing out and it doesn't want to do what I want it to do, so that's about it. Let's get into the video. So this is the first GlossyBox of the year, the January 2022 GlossyBox. I am a little bit disappointed that it is in a plain box and not like, I don't know, like a Happy New Year kind of box. So that's a little bit sad, but that's okay. It's not what's outside, it's what's inside that counts, right? And I'm gonna actually have a problem here because I did already open this and they stopped doing the newsletters. So now there's like a QR scanner that my phone is having trouble picking up. Okay, so basically instead of the like big, they were like less than A4 magazines, they now do QR codes. This is what they look like. This one is Mindful Mornings. The back of it says, "We've gone digital. Check out our new interactive glossy magazine. We wanted to bring you even more exciting content and save the planet while we're at it. Good. Want to read yours? Turn me around." And obviously it has the QR code on the other side. So this is my old phone, by the way. I'm filming on my new phone. This is my old phone. This is the first page of the magazine. Really cute. It's like blue and purpley, like a baby blue lavender color. And apparently there's there's just about 20 pages, which is not something we've had before. So it starts with "From the editor." Hey Glossies, as January is all about starting anew, I firstly want to welcome you to our first ever digital monthly magazine. As well as the incredibly handy product information you're used to receiving with your GlossyBox, we're now bringing you even more. Expect trending stories, expert tips and tricks, and of course, plenty of sneak peeks into what's in store in the months to come. That is really exciting. I do like the expert tips and tricks because I'm fairly fresh to makeup. So yes, Fave Box of 2021 was the December's Moonlight Glow edit. Loved the tin and adored every product inside. Nice. Top pick of 2021 was the Spa to You Jewel Cleansing Brush in our September Pure Relaxation edit. It's seriously up to my cleansing game. I agree. I love that brush. You know, the brush that was in one of my older videos? It's got a like scratchy bit on the one side and the soft bristles on the other. I love that. Right, so we've got January, the GlossyBox, Mindful Mornings. Being mindful is about being present in the moment. I'm not going to read you the whole magazine because that would take ages. Get comfy, grab a brew, and turn the page to our new digital magazine to see our full January lineup. Okay. Okay, so first is the nail thing. Gel Rehab Strengthening Nail Treatment. So this is what it looks like. Probably can't see that like that. Probably still can't see it like that. So this is the Deluxe Mini 10 milliliter worth £11. So is this the mini? I'm gonna assume that that's the mini worth £11. The full size is 14 milliliters and it's worth £15. So this is the Gel Rehab Strengthening Nail Treatment. This miracle 10-in-1 recovery treatment and base coat works intensely to repair dry, damaged nails in just 30 minutes. Perfect if you're someone who's not always got the time to take things slow. This powerful formula contains keratin-rich spinach seaweed extract, peptides, nitrocellulose, and kale, which together work to strengthen, regenerate, and hydrate nails, preventing against further breakage. So I think this is good for me. It's gonna be good for me because I get my nails done pretty regularly, not too often, mostly depending on my financial situation. but last time I got these done was around December. They are very outgrown, as you can tell, but they are still very cute. So this is actually pretty good for when I stop getting my gel nails done, I think. So that's good. Although, that depends. I might give it away to like a family or friend, for someone who doesn't get their nails done as much, but still has damaged nails. Something is smelling nicely in this box, and I don't know what it is. Oh, it's not this. This just smells like pure nail polish. At least it doesn't smell like spinach or something, right? Anyway, moving on. Is the blue box. Cleansing Bar. Cocoa and Coconut Superfood Facial Cleansing Bar. I have never had a cleansing bar for the face. Dr. Botanicals Apothecary. Cocoa and, yeah, I've read that. Start your day feeling uplifted and energized with the help of this cleansing bar. Created to clean, hydrate, and gently exfoliate your face, body, and hands, and give you a blissful scent every morning. Key ingredient glycerin is well known for its moisturizing and nourishing benefits, whilst coconut oil is full of good antioxidants, fatty acids, and essential nutrients for happy skin. This is $9.90 as far as I'm aware. Oh, that is the smell. That is the thing that I can smell. If I can open it. Oh, it's not what I expected it to look like. It's just kind of white with black dots. It does smell very nice though. It does smell like something that I would use in the morning, especially because it smells so good. Moving on is Lip Dew Tinted Lip Balm. Give your lips the care and attention they deserve with this ultra moisturizing lip balm. I can't open this. Helping to soothe and smooth dry lips thanks to key ingredients, shea butter. This cooling treatment also gives off the look of a lip gloss. Wear alone or on top of your favorite lipstick to add some shine. So this is what it looks like. It's quite a small bottle. Last time I had some lip tint was I had to I basically binned it because there was no product inside. So I hope this is not as bad. I'm gonna try this out because unless it's pink, unless it's as pink as this, it smells good. I won't keep it, but otherwise, if it's not as pink on my lips, then I will keep it. I also have really dry lips right now. Okay, so it's not that pink, so I'm keeping it. It does give it that extra little shine. It smells so good as well. Definitely keeping this. This is apparently £12. I probably wouldn't buy it again because this is quite a small, you know, for £12. But it's very cute and I will definitely be using it. It does do the sticky thing that all lip balms do, but that's normal. So anyway, next product is, so this is the Vitamin A Booster Blue Clay Mask. Formulated with a blend of flowers, fruits, and grade 1 clay, this mask draws out dirt from pores whilst simultaneously feeding the skin with vitamins. Refining and tightening pores too, your skin will look visibly smoother after just one use. Featuring powerhouse ingredients, bakuchiol, I don't know how to read that, a natural alternative to retinol, you're sure to notice a brighter complexion, a more even skin tone, boosted suppleness, and that texture and fine lines are reduced. Wow, this is £40.50, which I think, okay, it's not the most expensive one. I would not pay £40 for this though, I don't think. At least not right now. Maybe in the future if I'm like a millionaire or something. But yes. while editing, I probably would have deleted the bit. Basically, I read the wrong bit. I read the information for the Leave Me on Winter Mask because you could get one of 4 products from Montmasky. This is the 4th one that they had on the list. I didn't realize, so I read the first one. So basically, there is 4 products. You get one of them from Montmasky. I don't know what else I said, but I did put some on my hand. It was blue. You can still kind of see the blueness of it. I will have to wash that off. But I thought it was the Leave Me on Winter Mask, so I got weirded out because you can see the blue very obviously. So I was saying how I wouldn't leave this on if I was going outside. Clearly that's the wrong mask, so that is definitely a-okay. This also says Vitamin A Booster Blue Clay Mask, pH balanced, pore refining, smoothing, firming, tightening, and brightening, and this is 60 milliliters. This fragrance free. Oh, this is also PETA certified, skin loving ingredients, and freshly made in Amsterdam. And after that, you will receive one of the following 2 must-haves. So this is, you'll get one of them. You don't really get a choice, but you do. So I got this. Okay, so it's either this Vitamin C Body Milk or the Ayako Spotlight highlight pencil. I'm glad I didn't get the pencil because I don't use the pencil. Like I don't use highlighter pencils. This moisturizing cream is rich in vitamin C, as well as natural avocado and olive oils, which work to improve skin's elasticity and firmness. Providing long-lasting hydration, this pleasantly orange-scented milk eliminates dull, dry skin, the perfect pick-me-up. So this is £10. I would probably pay £10 for this if I know it works. It does also seem to smell nice. I don't currently actually have body milk, whatever that is. So it's obviously just a plain white application. We're just gonna smear that in there. Oh, this, yeah. It does smell kind of nice, but it also smells like cough syrup at the same time. Like cough syrup, but like if you wanted your car to smell like cough syrup, you get the like car thingy that smells like cough syrup. That's what it smells like to me. But it does smell okay, I guess. I'm really confused about how you use body milk. I'm assuming it's just a moisturizer, I guess. But anyway, that was the final product. What do I think about this box? Well, I haven't technically tried any of the products. I think it's an okay box, considering that I have a mask, a cleansing bar, body milk, lip gloss. Not counting the, I guess, yeah, no, you could count the nail gel thing. It does say to me, like, mindfulness morning, you know, like, these are the kind of things I would use if I was having a mindful morning, just laying in bed, do a face mask, you know, put some rehydrating thing on my nails, maybe have a nice bath, use the body milk after. So it does do what I guess they set out to do. It does give you that vibe. But is this the best box I've had so far from them? Probably not. But I do feel like lately they've been getting better, and I definitely am gonna enjoy reading over the blog thing that they have. They have a Start Your Day Right, 5 morning rituals that'll kickstart your day. 1 is hydrate before you caffeinate. Caffeinate? I don't know how to say that. Read, ditch your tech, so like your phone, embrace nature, and pick out something to look forward to. So that's very nice. They have yoga poses that you can do to make you feel powerful. What's trending for 2022? In a way where it's like the Bakuchiol, peptides, hydroxypinacolone retinoate. I don't know how to say any of those. prickly pear seed oil, and there's a timeless treats sneak peek. So I'm assuming this is the thing that's going to be in the next one. One of the standouts in next month's lineup is a hair and body treat from Truly Timeless brand Rituals. The Ritual of Mere Hair and Body Mist will brighten and energize, scenting your hair, skin, and surrounding with an elegant fragrance of sweet orange and cedarwood. We can't get enough. That does sound like it smells very nice. There's also a grooming kit coming soon. The perfect Valentine's Day gift for the man in your life. It goes on sale Friday the 4th of February. I do not have a man in my life other than my brothers. And that is it. That is the final page. So yes. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below, would you try GlossyBox? If you want to try GlossyBox, I do have a 10% off voucher. I think potentially 20. I'm not 100% sure. But you can also find a lot of like voucher codes, I'm sure, on the internet for it. This does usually also come with a lot of vouchers on its own, so I think I get 2 codes for HelloFresh every month. I haven't had HelloFresh in a while. I'm not going to be able to afford it right now because it's like 65 quid for 2 or 3 meals, something like that. So that's a no from me. But yeah, other than that, do with passion. On that at all. Mwah.